Hey everyone friends, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to cancel an Epic Games account recovery. To do this, I'll open any browser. Yeah, you do the same. And we'll need to search for Epic Games email. Here it is. We'll need this email address. Copy it and go to your email service. There. Now click the Compose button. So we'll write here the email address. Yeah, what was it again? I've got a draft email ready here. Right. So we write this email address here. helpsupport@epicgames.com. As of right now, April 2026, that's the address. And in the subject, write, I want to cancel. I want to cancel my account recovery. Make sure you write an email with similar content and include your username or the email address linked to your account or your ID. ID is the best option because it's, well, the most unique. There. Then click Send, and that cancels the recovery. That's it. This was Valor. See you all later.